I'm sitting in the summer house at Cardinnis. It's a lovely bungalow, it's detached, it's up in the chapel area and it offers 4 bedrooms. It's got a huge living room with a double fire, so you can have the fire going on one side and on the other as well. So if you're having something to eat in the dining area, you're still being kept warm by this lovely open fire as well as in the living room. All bedrooms are a good size. One particular, the smaller one, would make a decent office. You've got a lovely big kitchen and you've also got a double garage, which is, I know, something that people really do want. If you'd like to find out more, watch the video and then book yourself